What if I tell you there's a way to scan an entire book without tearing a single page? No flatbed scanner, no flipping pages one by one manually, and no wasting hours just to digitalize a single book. Today we are checking out something really interesting, the CZUR ET Max, a professional book scanner that's designed to completely change how you scan documents, books, and even old archives. And honestly, this might be one of the smartest tools I have seen for creators, students, and even businesses. So this is the box it comes in. It's huge box, and once you open it, you will understand why. Everything is packed very securely, so all the items are well protected. Now I'm going to take out all the accessories so you can see what's included. Now everything is laid out on the desk. As you can see, we get quite a lot of items. There's a DVD and a paper with instructions on how to download the software. They have clearly mentioned the website and steps, which is very helpful. The guidebook itself is detailed so you can learn everything if you want. Next, we have a USB cable to connect it to your computer along with a power adapter. They also provide two different plug converters so you can easily switch depending on your region. There's also a specified finger tool which is useful for holding down thin papers like scanning, especially for books. Then we have a handheld button that lets you manually capture scans. On top of that, they include a foot pedal which makes scanning documents faster and more convenient since you can capture images hands-free. We also get a black mat where you can place your books or documents for better and clear scans. They even include side lights that can attach to the ET Max for improved lighting. And of course, here's the ET Max itself. It looks really nice and feels premium. Everything about it feels very professional, more like a studio tool than a regular scanner. The first thing you will notice is that it does not look like a traditional scanner at all. It uses an overhead design, which means you place your book or document on the mat and the camera scans from the above. There are built-in lights in ET Max which you can control by the buttons, which is really useful if you're working in a dark room. You can also use the additional side lights for even better illumination. And if you need it, you can turn the lights on or off using the touch button. One more thing that I didn't expect, this scanner actually comes with a built-in preview screen on the top. And this is super useful because while you are scanning, you can see exactly what's being captured in real time without looking at your computer. This scanner uses a 38 megapixel camera, which is insanely high for a scanner. That means super sharp text, clear images, great for achieving or professional work. It also supports up to 410 dpi, so even small details are captured properly. Actually perfect if you are scanning old books, research material, or detailed documents. And with the auto page detection, it can scan automatically every time you flip a page. And of course, you can also use handheld button or foot pedal, which is really nice option. So instead of spending hours, you can scan an entire book in just minutes. This scanner works with dedicated CZUR software. It offers multiple features like different color modes, batch editing, autocropping, image enhancement, and exporting to various formats. If you want to scan a flat single page, you can select the single page mode. In this mode, it captures the entire scanning area exactly as you see it on the screen. There's also a facing page option, which is perfect for books. If you open a book with 2 pages, the scanner automatically detects and separates them into 2 individual pages. One really useful feature is auto-cropping. When you place a book, a name card, or any document on the mat, you will see a border in the software. This border shows exactly what area will be captured. So anything inside the border will be scanned and everything outside of it will be ignored. The best part is that it works automatically, so you don't have to adjust it manually every time. The image quality is really impressive, color looks accurate, and text comes out sharp and clear thanks to the high DPI and high resolution camera. Another useful feature is the combined scan mode. This is great when you want to scan large content. For example, if you scan one part of a book, then scan another part, the software will automatically combine them scans into a single image. It's especially helpful for bigger pages or documents. If you prefer more control, you can also choose from different color modes. There are options like stamp mode, pattern mode, image mode, and even a no filter option for a more natural look. All the scan images appear on the left side of the screen, so you can easily preview, manage, and edit them as you go. You can also export your scans as Word files using OCR. So if you have a page or you want to convert all the text into an editable Word document, you can do it very easily. Every single word is recognized and converted into text. You just need to select the correct language based on the material you are scanning. For example, if your document is in English, you select English and software will accurately recognize and convert all the text. For a quick demonstration, I scan a book that contains both English and Chinese text. When you're exporting, I select both English and Chinese as a recognition languages. After processing, you can see that all the text in both languages correctly converted into a Word document. You can then edit everything directly in Word or export it as a PDF if needed. It's a really powerful and useful feature. What if I tell you this is not just a scanner? You can also use it as a document camera for teaching, where you can show books, notes, or even small objects in real time. A webcam with HDMI output, which is great if you are doing online classes, meetings, or even recording content. And it can also work as a presentation tool for meetings, so you can quickly display documents or explain things visually without extra setup. So if you are a content creator, teacher, or even someone working in an office, this becomes more than just a scanner. It's basically a multi-purpose tool that can fit into your daily workflow and save your time. I hope this review helps you if you're considering this for yourself. There's a link in the description where you can check it out and get a discount on your purchase. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.